Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the ASUS ROG Strix G18, an absolute beast of a gaming laptop that's been making waves in the tech world. If you're a serious gamer or just someone who loves staying on top of the latest tech, this review is for you. First off, let me tell you about the heart of this machine, its processor. Say hello to the Intel Ultra 9 processor 275HX. It's packing 24 cores and 24 threads that can boost all the way up to 5.4 GHz. In plain English, what that means is that you'll be able to play even the most demanding games at silky smooth frame rates, thanks to this laptop's lightning-fast processing power. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what about graphics? Well, let me tell you, this baby's got an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 laptop GPU that's churning out real-time ray tracing and delivering incredible visuals. It's like having your very own Hollywood movie studio in the palm of your hand. One of my favorite features on this laptop is its display. The ASUS ROG Nebula Display boasts a stunning 2.5K resolution, a blistering 240 Hz refresh rate, and an impressive 3 milliseconds response time. That means you'll be able to play games that are so smooth and responsive, it's like flying through the game, or watching a movie on the big screen. But what really sets this display apart is its peak brightness of 500 nits and its 16:10 aspect ratio. Let me put it simply. If you're someone who spends hours streaming, playing games, or working on content creation, this display will blow your mind with its vibrant colors and incredible clarity. It's like having a personal art studio at your fingertips. Of course, we can't forget about multitasking, and the ASUS ROG Strix G18 is designed to handle it like a pro. With 32 GB of high-speed DDR5 RAM and a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, you'll be able to juggle multiple browser tabs, voice chats, streaming software, and heavy games without any lag or slowdowns. I've also got to give a shout-out to the laptop's connectivity features. Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 ensure that your online gaming sessions are always lag-free, while the Thunderbolt 4 port supports DisplayPort and power delivery for those who want to get creative with their setup. And when it comes to cooling, ASUS ROG intelligent cooling technology keeps thermals in check even during marathon gaming sessions. But what really sets this laptop apart from the competition is its pro-grade security features. With Windows Hello Facial Login, you'll be able to unlock your laptop and access all your files without ever having to type a password again. And with BitLocker encryption and enterprise-grade protection, you can rest assured that your data is safe. Last but not least, let's talk about the keyboard. A pro-grade 4-zone RGB backlit keyboard that offers customizable lighting effects. It may sound like a small feature, but trust me when I say it adds to the overall gaming experience. So what does all this mean for you? Simply put, the ASUS ROG Strix G18 is an absolute powerhouse of a laptop that's designed to take your gaming and productivity to the next level. Whether you're a serious gamer or just someone who wants to stay ahead of the curve, this laptop has got you covered. Want to get your hands on one for yourself? Head over to the link below to check out the best price and deal on the ASUS ROG Strix G18. Trust me when I say it's worth every penny, and then some.